Hopefully it goes quick. Alright, it's restarted.
Yeah, it normally doesn't take a while long.
Okay. So back to the login box. So I need login form. I think I'll just rewrite the CSS because it's not liking changing values. Login button.
Hey, thanks for the follow, Oscar Taguri.
Button. Why is this not working? Button, login button. Inspect element. Okay. The background color is getting overwritten.
Throw an important on the end of that, man.
Yeah, I can. It just always seems dirty. Wish this would say. I wonder if there's a way to tell what's overwriting it.
Yeah. Hey, man. Sometimes you gotta break a few eggs when you're making an omelet.
Very true. Very true. Oh, wait a second. Background color. No, I have like background color border syntax here.
Oh.
There we go.
That could have been it.
Now I just need to change. The border's a little weird. Oh, there we go. That's better. I think I should go a lighter color font or text though.
Well, why don't you give the background color a why don't you give it an alpha of like 0.8?
Okay. Oh. The border probably just needs 1.
Yeah, it doesn't need much at all.
Looks pretty good. Need some padding. And then right align. Might be a little tricky.
Well, you could scaffold this in Bootstrap since you have Bootstrap available. I mean,
yeah, that's
we
true.
can see that, you know, if this was a call,
yeah,
say, you know, whatever, then you'd have 4, 4, and 4.
Yeah, that's a good point. Let's put in a container to be safe. Container, call, large 4, large 4.
You just have to do an offset 4.
Oh, yeah.
Call large 4, call large offset 4. Call large offset 4, yep.
Call.
Yep.
Like that?
No, here. Yep, just like that, and then add it to the end of this.
Like that?
Yeah. And that should offset it.
Yeah, it looks right. I just think we do some styling, but at least it works. That's probably the better way to do it anyway.
And then it'll be much easier to red align that button and keep it pinned.
Yeah. Much better. Login button. Probably do float right. Margin 0.
Oh, so with that, honestly, at this point, what you want is rows, probably.
Yeah.
And then, so like, okay, form here. And then you could do either a form group or a row. So you do a row there. A T row. Unfortunately, Bootstrap has not implemented my T row yet. I've talked to him about it. All right. And then a row. And text. Let's see if that pulls it to the right. It might be pull right.
I think it might be pull right. I'm pretty sure it is.
Login. Yeah, but then you could actually add a text center.
Pull right. Yep. Still, I think that might be a margin or something though.
Yeah, just inspect it. Let's take a look at the
order, line height.
Yeah, scroll down here. Here, do me a favor. I'm just gonna change this real quick. So, all right. No, it's not the button itself. Problem is it's not lining up in here.
Let me just take some of this stuff out. Maybe it's border, padding, line.
Yeah, I'm gonna search the Bootstrap site here. Bootstrap. Pull right.
Maybe I need it on the button instead.
Yeah.
It's on the text. Nope. I don't think I'm doing anything that's causing that.
Yeah, one sec. I think it's going to be on the row above the button.
Yeah, that's where we have it. Min height, text to line, inspect element. Let's try to say
we
everything.
can change.
Okay, parents. Huh.
Okay. All right. Let's go back up to the.
Oh,
hold on.
I'm just messing with stuff.
All right. So yeah, bring it back. Let's just edit the button in line real quick here. So let's see, element style. Let's see. I'm pretty sure that's what pull right does. So
yeah.
Let's see. Oh, that's pulling everything. What's going on here? Are we on the button itself?
Doesn't look like it. No, I think you're on. Yeah, no, you're on everything.
Okay, now I'm on the button.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wonder if the text inputs are just overflowing, and that actually is the right.
No, it shouldn't. It shouldn't be overflowing. Well, they might be. Let's take a look.
And I think since we're using the columns, I don't need to mess with the view width. I can just set the
You shouldn't need
width to 100%.
Mm-hmm.
Where's it at here? Width 100%. Oh, okay. Well, we're making progress.
Now, yeah. Okay, let's look at the button now. And the HTML.
Let me put a border around this real quick. Let's see what we're going with. Alright, so the pull right is working.
Yeah.
So I don't know why it's outside of that though. That's kind of weird. Do I have something else here? Position. I don't have any positioning. I don't think I need that anymore. Don't need this. Alright, so I guess I do need that. So why is the width on those not working?
Let's look. Let's look here for a second.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So why are they so?
Probably just need a different.
Why is it so wide?
Let's make this like a 3. And then
Yeah. And change this to medium instead of large.
Whoa, that's small. Oh, medium. Okay. So we might need a large.
Well, you changed it to 3.
Oh, yeah,
change it back to 4.
Maybe it needs to be a 3. No, it's a 4.
Yeah, you might even do 5 on the medium.
Oh, I'm using Atom-Jade for the highlighting.
All right, I think that's pretty good right there.
Yeah, that's good.
Now, let's pull it down again where it was. And actually give it and set its offset to 4 as well.
Okay. Oh, it's on 4.
Let's try 5 on the offset.
That might mess things up. Top position. Top 50%. Oh, I think I need container. Let's see. If you already know JavaScript and don't want to learn PHP MySQL, is Node comparable? Can you buy? I think personally Node is better than PHP MySQL. It's a lot faster, and I don't think there's anything PHP can really do that Node can't. But MySQL is not really. MySQL is just a database, so you could still use MySQL with Node if you wanted.
Yeah, checkmate. When you're talking JavaScript, it's really JavaScript versus PHP, and as far as being able to run anywhere, so if you learn PHP, that's cool. You can write server-side stuff all day long. If you want to do any type of interactivity in your browser, you're still going to have to learn JavaScript.
Yep.
So why not learn JavaScript really well and run it on the server and the client? And in fact, you can use isomorphic frameworks to where 90% of the code you write is used on the server and the client, both. So you reduce the amount of code that you have to write, which reduces the amount of bugs that you write. It speeds up your development time.
Yeah, and you can, I mean, a lot of people only think, you think of Node or JavaScript and you think websites, but that's not really the case. You can use server-side scripts, things that don't even belong on websites with Node. And in fact, I just did that yesterday.
Yep, there's quite a bit of stuff. People are using Node for robotics now. In fact, I know a guy that's using Node to power essentially a web service that tracks entry into something with some Raspberry Pi devices he built. That thing in the background running is the terminal, and it is Grunt, I believe, running in the background, running as file watcher. So every time a file changes, Grunt picks up that file change and recompiles the application.
Yep, and also has live reload. So when the file changes, it'll refresh my browser automatically. Which I don't think you can really do with PHP, so +1 to Node.
Yeah.
Alright, so back to moving this down.
Yeah.
Width 100%, top. Oh, that doesn't go there. It should be in container, I think.
I'm not sure you want to do position absolute.
Oh. Yeah, no, I don't.
Maybe you do. Well, that or position relative.
Yeah, I could try that. If not, maybe I'll choose another wrapper.
Yeah.
Container has some weird stuff going on with it. I'll try this.
I love having my keyboard back.
I never really used mechanical keyboard. I mean, I did like back in the day when that was the thing, like the only thing you could use. But since they've gotten cool, I haven't really.
Yeah, I got a Corsair Vengeance K70 keyboard.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's well, I got it when I was actually playing StarCraft pretty regularly, and I kept it. It makes you even if you're not doing a lot, it makes it sound like you're so productive.
Yeah, it does. The rain's really coming down here. Wrapper width 100%, maybe. Yeah. What happened to our columns? It's not really bad though. this thing. Oh. Maybe somebody's already figured out how to do this. Bootstrap, vertical, align.
Oh, God. Isn't there a vertical align class?
Oh, maybe.
Or like a selector vertical align?
V center. Maybe I don't need all this. Conform. Then I can do what, V align or V center. Style.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
My Leinenkugel is unfortunately empty.
Oh. Well, flexible box, vertical, align, call. Oh, so this guy was doing what I was trying to do earlier with the Flexbox.
Yeah.
That didn't work at all.
Unfortunately, I don't think Bootstrap plays well with Flexboxes.
Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, wait, no, I need to move that over.
I think Bootstrap 4 is gonna be all Flexbox stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't know. I might be making it up.
Login form. Oh, that was my login form.
Hey, people are mentioning me on Twitter. Well, Brianna mentioned me. I'm famous.
Oh man, vertical. I never.
Jesus Nails says, "You sound so pretentious, Kappa."
Who, I sound pretentious?
No, extreme moderation says me.
Oh, okay.
Jesus Nails says, "Not you, the other guy."
Yeah, I'm definitely not pretentious, and I'm googling how to vertical align. So.
Yeah.
I don't know why this is not working.
Yeah, it's a giant pain, man.
Mm-hmm.
The top didn't work. Just setting a top like 50% on it.
Yeah, I can try it. Let's put on everything.
Peace in chat, guys. Peace in chat. It's the internet. Everyone's a pretentious asshole.
Somebody had to have done this already. Margin bottom.
Yeah.
Height. Yeah, everyone else using Flex, but that didn't work for me.
They're using Flex with Bootstrap?
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Well, I mean, it might work. Vertical align responsive. Oh, no, this images.
Floating on, display inline. Huh.
Floating on display, inline blocked. Vertical align middle.
You can try it.
Yeah.
There's that train again.
Yeah. It's the little trend that could, man. It's just letting you know. It did.
Well, we may have to come back to this. I don't think it's an overly important issue to spend all this time on.
No, I would agree. It's alright, so we need to make a absolutely horrendous user experience once they log in, if we're gonna clone Snapchat. So
Yep. Should we start working on the interface?
yeah, I think so.
Alright.
So before we do that, let's think about what we want, though. I think the ability to send pictures and time them out is probably one of the last things that we need to think about. So a user is going to log in, and they're going to need to be able to add friends. So we're going to have a friends list. In that, they'll need to be able to add someone as a friend. So do you have Sketch or anything?
I don't. Maybe.
Sketch, not Sketch.
Oh, there. No, I don't think I do.
Oh, you should definitely get Sketch and Evernote.
Yeah, the only thing I have is GIMP, I think.
Yeah. So let's see. All right. Well, while you set up the route for it, so after they log in, it's going to take them to the next. So set up a route and a blank view for now, and I will work on setting you something.
Profile, I guess, or not profile. I guess chat. I guess.
Yeah.
Alright, now I want a controller. Oh, shoot. Not in the right directory. That's not the one I want. controller route. I guess I do want route.
And this is probably going to be pretty interesting to our viewers, so make sure you're explaining what you're doing here.
Yeah. So I don't know how long you guys have been in here, but we created this using the Yeoman generator Angular full stack, and that has different methods you can use to create different sections.